Hello, my friends and fellow sufferers of chronic pain or any kind of pain. Today is June the 25th of 2019. Today's message is not directly about the pain, but about taking care of yourself. A lot of people in this generation believe that they don't need insurance. You don't need health insurance. Well, you don't need health insurance until you need health insurance. I was fortunate uh, at my job when I was younger. When insurance was offered, I did not want to take it because I thought it was a waste of money. But one of my bosses at the time told me, you need to get health insurance. But I was thinking, nothing's ever going to happen to me, but what the heck. So I got it. And many, many years later, here I am, and that insurance has um, more than twice overpaid for itself. Lots of people have bad things to say about providers and insurance companies because of the cost and how much it takes out of your check and things of that nature. But it is necessary. Um, at the time that I'm doing this video, I have Blue Cross Blue Shield as my insurance carrier. I may not be able to keep them because of the price when things change over with disability and dealing with things like that. But I do want to send a shout out to Blue Cross Blue Shield. Through this whole experience, they have been there for me medically, financially. They even have people that call to check on you and see how you're doing, see where your head is, um, see if you're being treated right by your doctors and things of that nature. But um, the price of insurance, it costs. There's no way around it. But as far as my experience with my insurance company, which is Blue Cross Blue Shield, they have been great to me. I mean, every procedure that I've needed done, um, however many times it needed to be done, whatever needed to be done, there was no long wait or hesitation. They got me taken care of, and for that I will always be grateful to them. Um, they're a person that they're care people that call you sometimes out of the blue just to say, "Hi, how are you doing? Let me know where you're at." Um, those calls you become grateful for because it lets you know somebody cares. Even though it's your insurance company, somebody cares. But as far as through this whole experience, the things that I've had to have done, the MRIs, the X-rays, the shots, surgeries to get my neurostimulator in, things of that nature, Blue Cross Blue Shield has been top notch for me. And um, yes, I have to pay for my insurance, but yes, it has been completely worth it. So don't ever feel just because you're in good health that tomorrow things won't change. If you don't have health insurance and it's offered to you or you have a chance to get health insurance. It makes a big difference when you need to get into the doctor or have an emergency, when you need to go to the clinic for your flu shots or whatever happens in your life that when things go wrong. Um, lots of people say, "Oh, nothing will ever happen to me. I don't need insurance. It's just not cost effective for me." Well, I'm here to tell you, it is cost effective for you. If you can afford it and it's offered to you, sometimes it may be a little bit over on your price range. Get it. If you're not doing it for somebody else, do it for yourself. If I did not have my insurance and being able to see the doctors that I needed to see when I needed to see them and get things done, we probably wouldn't be having this conversation. But thanks to my insurance, I'm able to get my medications, the treatment that I need to take care of myself, and maintain, I guess, life. So, message is get your insurance. Don't make excuses not to get your insurance. If you don't have insurance, but you have family, the cost of whatever happens to you falls on your family. And in some cases, your family is struggling to get by on their own, not with with added medical expense of taking care of you or someone else. So do your best to do your part and get your health insurance. Um, it's not free. There's a cost when you don't have insurance. There's a cost when you have insurance. But having insurance, yes, it does mean you will get better care. I mean, that's just the plain and simple of it. If you don't, getting to doctors, um, getting treatments that you need in a timely manner um, will not happen. You will get there, but it will not happen like in succession in a way that may be beneficial to you or more beneficial if you catch things sooner. So that's my message on um, your health care as far as that goes. Other thing is, if you're dealing with chronic pain or any kind of sickness, do your best to change your habits as far as try to eat healthy. I'm not saying not to cheat once in a while, but try to eat healthy. Try to be as healthy as you can in taking care of your body, your mind, how you just basically take care of yourself every day. In my particular situation, since my pain comes from my muscles, as I've worked through this, one thing that I have learned is the less weight that I carry on my frame, it doesn't take the pain away, but it makes it a little bit easier to deal with. So I try to be as healthy as I can. Um, like I explained in the beginning of this series, my pain does not stop. There's no off days, but some days you have to push through. So I don't like really work out as far as doing a lot of weights and stuff like that. It's not healthy for my muscles or my spine or any part of my condition. But I do get out and walk. Walking is painful, so I'm not gonna like lie and make it sound like a feel good story because it's not. It's painful, but you do what you have to do, and that's one of those things where you have to push through the pain to save yourself more pain later. So I go for walks. Um, I push through. Sometimes when I'm walking, I'll listen to stories, do audio books, Bible of the year, just different things to keep my mind, try to keep my mind not strictly on the pain. But I do get out and walk, and that's my exercise. And it's good for me. It's therapeutic. It helps you think through things, through your situation, through what you're dealing with as far as your chronic pain, your medical issues, your family, your bills, your how you're living, all of that stuff. You walk it out. Many people have their different ways of going through therapy or thinking through things, and you find your way. Walking is my way. Um, I know the message for today is short, but I wanted to get that out there and make sure you get the message. Healthcare, getting health coverage is worth it. I mean, some people may feel that it's not, but I'm telling you, honestly, since I'm living it right now, it's worth it to get your health care. Um, at some point, people are going to see this, and people from my health insurance or my current health insurance, which is Blue Cross Blue Shield, may see this. And if they do, I just wanted to say thank you to them for the care that they gave me as I've gone through this process. Um, Over time, um, work changes, your ability to work, things of that nature, and you hope you have the insurance coverage to cover that, or some jobs have that insurance for disability or long-term, and the government, of course, has long-term disability and Social Security and things of that nature. Um, some people will feel guilty, like I did at first, even thinking about reaching out for disability help and things of that nature. But if you've worked and you've put in the time, or when you were able, then it's not like you're getting something for free. You had to earn that. You had to put into it. So don't feel guilty about trying to get help. It may not be, it's not going to make you rich, but having something to help you get through is better than having nothing at all. And the world's not perfect. None of us are, but we do the best that we can. And that's what I'm doing, the best that I can. So today is June the 25th. I have a doctor's appointment today. More fun. Yay, pain management. So I just want to say I love you all. I pray for you all. I keep you all in my heart out there. And just know that you're getting a prayer each and every day, in the morning, at night, and sometimes throughout the day if I think about it. But like I said, I pray for you all. I pray for the people in my heart, from my heart. That way I don't miss a soul. So thank you all for listening today. Until next time, God bless. Bye.